This section only cost us for about 15 minutes. Yeah, it is short for us to see that how should we run the experiment for the previous lectures content for the stream generation, the visualization of the stream data or the original data or finally the novel class detection work. Yeah. Okay, so first we go here. The first things we should do is that we go here to go to the Google Drive, online stream analysis, labs, and lab 2 solution. This is the requirement. This is the requirement. Sorry, lab 2. Yeah, lab 2 is the requirement for the for the 4 different tasks. Lab 2 solution is the corresponding code, how to run code for address such problem. We should download this package, lab 2 solution. Download is that we just go here and right click it. Download is okay. Yeah, it will cost us around 5 minutes to download all the code and the data set, corresponding data set. Yes. I have finished download. You could start it to download. Yeah. Yeah, just right click this one, right click the lab 2 solution, click download. It is okay. Yeah. During this time, I will first introduce the different tasks and task. First is that we will visualize the data set. We will see that because we all know that we generated the data set from the different from the different source. For example, the image from the tensor, or from the text, or from the video, audio, and so on. The visualization work is that we want to see for the different source or for the different category in the data set, what's the features contribute to separate them well in the low dimensional space. We will see that we know that our life is in the 3-dimensional space, and here it is 2-dimensional space. The data set is several hundred space, several hundred dimensions. So if we want to see the inner meaning or the inner space of the data set, we should first use some package to press it or mapping it into a low-dimensional space, such as the 2D dimensional, and then visualize it through the code. It is okay. So first we will use this. So in this task we will install some package. Maybe your computer have installed it. If you could install, if your computer do not have such package, you could install it through the lab solutions introduction. First is that the Seaborn package. Yes, Seaborn package. Install this package. It is okay. Install package is simple. Just the pip install Seaborn. It is the visualization tools for us to see the date. I have installed it. Maybe your computer did not install this package. You just use this. Oh my God, it is so dark. You could use this command pip install Seaborn to install the visualization tools to execute code. Yeah. This is for the first one. For the second one is to generate a stream. Generate stream. It is as the previous description. We see that the instance from the different category of the data set comes out randomly. We simulate this process through this code. For this part, for this code, we should also install one package, but don't worry about it. We could install it when we execute this code. For the ECS manner and the CPE, for the ECS manner and the CPE, ECS manner is written through the Java. We could run it in the IntelliJ IDE. It is okay, and I will tell you how to see the result for this code. And for the last one, CPE, previously I see that the professor said that it is maybe relatively slow because it used the convolutional neural network. Because the computer is not could not be accelerated by the GPUs. So only if we only use the CPU, the speed may be slow. But anyway, we could run it in the computer and see the final experiment result after we have launch. Yeah. So is everyone finished the download of this package, Lab 2 solution? Is everyone finished? Okay. So for the first one, it's the visualization of the so for the first one, for the first task is the visualizations through the Tisney package. Tisney function. Here I have write this code. This is our execute code. It is just simple. First, we should read the data set, and then we will separate the data. We will organize the data into the label and the feature, and then use the Tisney function from the sklearn package to visualize it. I will show you how to run it. First, it could be run in the IDE or in the terminal. Simplify, you could open the terminal here. I close it. Just right-click in the folder and open terminal. It is okay. The terminal currently is in the code's location. Yes. Yes, and writing is execute this file. It is very easy. Just the Python Tisney is okay. The output is the class categories in our sampled data set. Here, in order to save the time, I only choose 5 categories to show it. And now we could see that this is the visualization result. We could see that for this data set, especially this is the high-dimensional data set. We see that for the different categories, they may not be separated well in their original space. So we should do the stream mining to separate it well in our task. This is the first work. Is everyone have problem on this execute this code, or have problems that could not run this code? I mean that if you could not run it because that you did not install some package, one is the Seaborn package. I tell you that how to run it. Yeah, how to install it. Yeah, this one is okay. Use this code to install the necessary packages. Okay. Yeah. This is for the first task. Okay. Okay. For the second one. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is the generator stream. This is the stream generator process. Okay. Stream generator process. Here we use the code of this one. We use the SN generator stream, this code. Is anyone have problem about the first task? If no, we could go to the next. Okay. No problem? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so for the second one, we will use the SN generator stream code to generate the stream. Here we could see that this what's this code mean? Yeah. Wait a minute. We could see that this is the generator process of this stream. Here, the I have setting the default data parse for our current experiment. It is the data set. We see that we have a data set folder here. Yes, and also the file's name. I also show it here. Later on, if you want to execute other data set, sorry, we enlarge the font here. Yeah, font. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here I write the file's name as the minister. This is the previously handwriting digit this site previously. But if you want to generate other types of the data, you could put your file in the data folder and change the name. Here we have some options. For example, for the list means existing, or we call it E. It means that the categories in the training data. Yes, we see that the training data and the test data, its category set is different. So E means that how many categories you want to put it into the training set. Yes, here we have a default value. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. You could change it when you run the code. You could change the initial categories to what you want to put. Initial size is that how many instances you want to organize it into the training set. Yes, it is default value. It is 5,000. Yeah, it also could be changed. Time delay is that after several after several MS, we want to put the novel class instance into the stream. Because we all know that the stream consists of several existing class, and randomly we generated or we select some novel class instance. Yes. So okay. So run it is also simple. It do not need any. It may need one package. It is color. Wait a minute. This code may need one package. It is random color. Yeah, random color. It is random color. So what you should do is just use the pip install. Random color is okay. Random color. Wait a minute. Yeah. If you installed, it will tell you that this is okay. So we will. So we could run it now. The run script is also okay. Python SN generator stream is okay. Yes, so you see that during this time it will output all the generate process on the terminal. Yeah, it is so large. Wait a minute. Yeah, it means that during the different stream lengths, which category we should add into the current stream. Currently it is from the 0 to 7, and later on, I could not go to the initial one. Initial one it is only the 1, 2, 3, 4, and later on 0, 5, 8, 7 would be merged into this one. You see. This is also okay. Previous one with no 9, but after this period of time, the category 9 instance will be added into the stream. Yeah. The generated stream named minister simulator. This one is our generated result. You also could change the parts of the list output. This is the second task. For the third one, it is ECS manner. Yeah, ECS manner is written in the Java code. Yes, how to run it? I have write. Wait a minute. I have write a guide, introduction to run ECS manner. You could run it through the IDE or run it through the terminal. You have two You have two methods to run it. Maybe the simpler one is to run it in the IntelliJ IDE. Yeah, IntelliJ IDE, you should first open the IntelliJ. This one. Yeah. In the activities, type to search. IntelliJ. Yeah, IntelliJ. This one is the IntelliJ. Just open it. And after open the IntelliJ IDE, we should import this. We should import it. Yeah. We should import project. The project, you should find its parse. You should find the parse in the computer. It is in the downloads. Wait a minute. Downloads. Lab2 solution. It is in the downloads and the Lab2 solution. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, here. Lab2 solution. And ECS manner. Click OK. And in the import project setting, just click next. Next. Wait a minute. Next. 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 And at last finish it. IDE would this IDE would import this code into its environment. Necessary package or the third-party package, I have installed it into this code, so just run it is okay. For the ECS manner, is everyone finished this step? Okay. So in the ECS manner, we should run the minist. No, what's called? Oh, SRC. Yeah. In the SRC folder, our main function is in the SRC folder, main class manner. Yeah, this code is so long. It is around 2,000 line. Yeah. Because this function is the include main function, so we should first say which line we should change, because some settings we should do. Wait a minute, I should change this one. If you could not change, just use the Control F to search the main. Yeah, this is the main function. It is in the 1,993 lines. Yeah. Yeah, this is our main function. In the main function, you should we see that you should change the data size folder, this one, because this folder is other folder. It is not the current folder. Yeah, I'm sorry I did not change it. ECS manner. This is the date. Yes, data we want to use the KDD. Yeah, we want to execute the KDD ARFF file. Yeah, this code will execute ARFF file, not the previous CSV common file. Yeah. How to put this parse into the environment? Here, I could tell you that just open the terminal current here, use the pwd. It will give you the current folder, or we see that absolute parse of it one. We just copy it and paste it here. Yes, paste it here. And here we have 4 different type of data. Yeah, 4 different type of data. Here we just choose KDD is okay. We just choose KDD and okay, and just after we finish this step, just right-click the run, right-click and choose the run minor main function. It will take you several minutes to first execute. Wait a minute, search file. Download the Lab2. I'm sorry. Yeah, this line, I see that you should change it to the data set we include. I think your folder is in the download. Yes, you download every package here. Open this one. Open the Lab2 solutions, And find the ECS manner. Yes, find the ECS manner. ECS manner, we have the data folder. Yes, we have the data folder. And I told you that how to copy this parts of this folder. Just right click, open the terminal. Use the pwd command to get the current folder. Get the current part. Get the parts of the current folder. Copy it. Yes, select it. Right click it. Copy it. And then paste everything here. Paste everything. It is the data parts, and then input the KDD because we have four different type of the data set. Just input the KDD ARFF. It is okay. Sorry. Do not change it. Do not change it. Just input. Just change your input parts to data KDD. It is okay. It is simple. Yeah. Data KDD. It is okay. D is the upper character, yeah. D is the upper character, yeah. And then right click and choose the run, yeah. Yes, and then as I previously said, just in the SLC folder, wait a minute, SLC folder, yeah, main class, and then the manner. Yeah, go to this line, change it to the data KDD, then run it. Yeah, it could be run now. Result should be here. Its default output parse is in the ECS manners ECS manners folder. This is the output result. Yes, you could see that it's the false positive rate, the false negative rate, the totally detected the no class instance, and the error rate. This is the result here. Yeah. If you want to see more specific things, you could check the templates. Oh no, not this one. Oh yeah. That one is finished. Oh, not finished. It's okay. When finished, it has another options. You could open that file. That file record that in every chunk what's the detected rate, detected the false negative, false positive result, and so on. Yeah, that is in the when you finish run this code, you could see that. Yeah. Is someone still could not run the previous 3 tasks?
So all of you can run?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, here we have the last one. Last one is the CPE. For the CPE, I also has the how to run it. I have a README file text. Yes, I have README file text. Just see it. Yes, see it is okay. Here in the solution, we see that we have a data set. Yeah.
Run it for a smaller setting, I mean a smaller data set, so that you can converse quickly.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Wait a minute. Yes, I close it.
If you're hungry, you can bring your food here also. This script is a little different from the previous one because some setting we have to write it by ourselves. Yeah, so just paste the main function because we should use the main function, and the term we see it as a stream. We see it as the stream. We use the stream setting. Currently, because we did not train the model, so first we have to train it. We have to train the model, and for the running result, we have a folder named running. We have different folder for the different data sets. Currently, if we use the fashion means, we have a simple set named fashion means. We use the running FM. We store it here, and for the data set, we choose the FM. FM the fashion means. Yeah. Epoch means that
if we deleted the date into the different epochs, how many times we want to run? Here, in order to save times, we only choose the 5. In the common times, we often choose 100, 200, and so on. But currently, if we choose 100, 200, maybe today we could not finish the running. Yeah. Yeah. So it wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, it could be wrong. Yeah, so just use this time to run it is okay. Yeah. Speed maybe if you finish the launch, you could see the result. It will take you about 30 to 40 minutes to run it. Yeah, but if you use the GPU to accelerate, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, we will see the result. Okay.